Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 battery drain problem. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. First you need to adjust power setting. To do that, you need to go to setting by just tapping Windows plus I in your keyboard. Under the system section, you need to go to power and battery. It is right here, just tap on it. Okay. You can see there is option called power mode under the power section. Just tap on the drop down and choose the best power efficiency in this menu. Then after you need to turn on battery saver. To do that, just click on this. You can see battery saver is set to open in 20% battery. You can change it to never or always. If you use it always, the always battery saver is turned on. So you can tick this one, lower screen brightness when using battery power, and currently it is turned on. Yeah, that also used to fix your battery drain. Then after you can do the optimized display setting. To do that, go to settings in again Windows plus I. In here just tap on display, scroll down, there is option called HDR, just tap on it. Okay, in here you can see battery option, there is a battery option, just tap on it and make sure it is set for optimized for battery life. Okay, then it is completed. Just close this one, and then you can do manage background apps. To do that, again go to setting by just tapping start menu, tap on setting. In the left side menu, go to apps here, go to apps and features. In this menu you need to find your not use frequently apps in this menu. As an example, in my case, I am not mostly use the calculator application. Just tap on these three dots and tap on advanced options. In here you can see background app permissions. Tap on this drop down menu and it is set as a power optimized. So you can choose it to never or choose the power optimize option, and you can check the battery usage from here for that application also. So you can do that every app you don't need to use. And you need to update the drivers for the optimum battery usage. To do that, right click on the start menu, go to device manage option, go to display adapters, double tap on it, choose your driver, right click on it, tap on update driver and tap on search automatically for drivers. In my case it is already installed the latest version, so I am going to close this one. So likewise you can update the old drivers that has recent updates. So because recent update can efficient the battery usage on your computer. So after doing that, just close this one, and you can check the Windows updates by just go to start menu, tap on settings. In the left side menu, go to Windows update and tap on check for update button. Then it will be check the latest update and download it for you. Then after you have to restart your computer, and then you can do disable the fast startup. To do that, you need to go to search bar, search for control panel. Here it is, just tap on it and make sure the view by is changed to large icon. Then after you need to go to power options here and choose the first one, choose what the power buttons do and tap on change settings that are currently unavailable and make sure fast startup is disabled. Uncheck this one. Okay, then after tap on save changes. And other than that, you can run the power troubleshooter. To do that, press Windows plus I. It will be open settings menu. Under the system section, you need to go to troubleshoot. It is right here, just tap on it. Go to other troubleshooters. You need to find power in this list. Scroll down, yeah, it is here, just tap on run. Now it is find the issues related with power settings, and you can see no changes or updates necessary. That means it has not problem. Just close this one, and finally you can check the battery health. To do that, go to command search bar, search for command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes in the pop-up menu. Now you need to search for type power cfg space / battery report and press enter. Yeah, in my case I have a problem, so that means my battery has a problem in this case. You can see battery is not charging well, it is 0%, so that is the reason for this one. But if your battery is working properly, you will be find the battery report that you can review to check the health of your battery. And these 7 methods you will be fix your battery draining problem. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.